Today, we'll discuss how to merge Excel files without losing data. Merging cells in Excel usually means watching your data disappear. You select A1 through C1, hit merge, and Excel quietly throws away whatever was sitting in B1 and C1. That's fine if those cells are empty, but it's a problem if they aren't. So here's the thing that nobody mentions. When you merge cells with IronXL in C#, the values in B1 and C1 don't actually get deleted. They stay in the data model. You can still read them programmatically, and only the visual presentation changes. So let me go ahead and show you how that works. I'm using IronXL, a .NET library that works with Excel files directly in C# without needing Microsoft Excel installed on your machine. That part matters if you're running this on a server. So step one is the install. Open NuGet Package Manager, search IronXL, and you'll see ironxl.xl by Iron Software. Click Install, done. So now the file, this is demo.xlsx. Cell A1 has the text value in A1. Cell C1 has value in C1. Two separate cells, and the goal is to merge A1 through C1 into a single merged cell and then keep the data intact behind the scenes. Basically 4 lines of code, so check it out. So this right here, that loads the existing file into an IronXL workbook object, and that file name is bare because it's sitting in the working directory. This grabs the default worksheet, which is just the first sheet in the file, and if your workbook has tabs, this is tab 1. This provides a range selection, A1, B1, and C1, which 3 cells across the top, and here is a line that does the work. We call merge on the worksheet and then pass the range address as a string. IronXL collapses A1, B1, and C1 into one merged cell. The value from A1 stays visible. The values from B1 and C1, they don't get wiped. They're still sitting on an IronXL data model, still readable if you want to query them. Visually, in Excel, the cell appears as one unit, but under the hood, our data is intact. And then save writes the change back to the file and run it. So let's open up the output, and A1 through C1 are now a single merged cell, as you can see, displaying value in A1, spanning all 3 columns. So the merge is clean, the visible value is correct, and the underlying cell data is preserved. And that is the whole pattern. Load the workbook, grab the default sheet, and select a range, call merge, hit save. That's 4 lines of work, no Excel install required, and your data survives. All right, we hope that this tutorial saved you a little bit of time. Remember, IronXL free trial gets you the full library if you want to test it on your own files. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Go to our website, download, and install the trial. Also, we have plenty of documentation on our website. And don't forget to subscribe because we have a bunch of C# Excel shortcuts queued up, ready to go.